Hello student, in previous video I explained type conversion in Python. So we know that there are two types of type conversion function. First is implicit type conversion and second is explicit type conversion. Now in explicit type conversion we have five inbuilt type conversion function. So out of that we'll learn the first type conversion function today, that is int. Okay, so we can use int function to convert values from other data type to integer data type. The value which you want to convert into integer, that you have to pass to this int function. Now see the example, int of 67.23. Now 67.23 is a float type of value, so that value will be converted into integer as a 67. Second is we can convert value from any type to integer type except complex type. Means we can convert boolean to int, we can convert float to int, we can convert string to int, but we can't convert from complex to int. If we are trying to do so, we get a type error, can't convert complex to int. Now see the example, int of 8 plus 7j. Now 8 plus 7j is a complex number, and if we are trying to convert it into integer, we get a type error, can't convert complex to int. Then second example, you can see int of true, so we get output as 1 because internally boolean values true and false will be taken as a 1 and 0 respectively. Okay, means Python interpreter will consider true as a 1 and false as a 0. So if we are converting int of true, automatically it will be converted into 1, and then int of false, it will be converted into 0. Now if you are trying to convert string data type to integer data type, compulsory string should be in an integral format and must be specified only in a base 10. No other base is allowed, because we know that we can specify integral value with a 4 base, that is base 10, base 2, base 8 and base 16. But if you are trying to convert a string data type, we require integer, and that integer must be in a base 10 format only. Now see the example, int of 8. So 8 is a string value and it is specified in an integral and also specified in a base 10, so it will be converted into integer, we get output as a. Now say int of 3.14. Now 3.14 is a float type of value, not specified as a in an integer format. Okay, so we get a value error, invalid literal for int with a base 10, 3.14. Then int of 5. Now 5 is specified in a string. So what is the rule? If you are trying to convert string type to integer type, the string should be in a integral format, but here string is in a character format. Okay, or it is in a already in a string format, so we get a value error, invalid literal for int with a base 10. Then next example, you can see int of 0b111. Now this is the integer value, but it is in a base 2 format. Okay, but we required only base 10 because the integer value must be specified in a base 10 format only, so we get value error, invalid literal for int with a base 10. Now two important rule for int type conversion. First is we can't convert the complex data type value into integer, and second is if you are trying to convert a string data type to int data type, compulsory string should be in a integer format and it must be specified in a base 10. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.